Good morning and a big welcome from us, A.C.T. We are here today at the sunny stadium, Kingsmead Cricket Stadium here in KZN. We just want to start the video by saying that we love sports and we just wish the Dolphins and the Proteas an excellent season. We're actually very much aware of a game taking place here this afternoon. But to bring your attention to the point of this video, there's a lot of structural steel that is going to be coated here at Kingsmead Cricket Stadium. We have begun works up in the north elevation, utilizing rope access for this elevation. It's a 10-year specification provided to us by the supplier Carboline, and they have been absolutely immaculate in supporting us and ensuring that all items are attended to correctly. The project spans and extends further to the south. I know that everyone's aware of Castle Corner, so that is your big reference point, and we can see the lovely branding up there by Hollywoodbets. So much the same, we're going to be continuing with that scope of work, tackling all the structural steel for this stadium. We'll be ending off on the west elevation, much the same again. So the project is broken down into three main areas of work for us to complete, with the first phase looking to be completed by the end of this month. So we're exceptionally excited. On the north elevation, unfortunately we can't show you, but we have cherry pickers and scaffolding up. The team is in full swing and we are just so pleased with what has been achieved thus far. Thank you for watching and tuning in, and update you soon. Take care.